Working in the dark is a pain, but deciding how to light your space is also a pain, which is why Dewalt may have solved all of your problems with this. This is the DCL079 18V XR LED tripod light. Now this thing has been designed with transport in mind, going from an easy to hold tube to a dazzling sight light in seconds. And when I say dazzling, I mean it. This light is bright, with 3 brightness settings at 1000, 1800 and 3000 lumens. So this thing is going to be great for lighting up the job site, or maybe even if you want it to act as a beacon to space. The telescopic poles are adjustable and they can be extended up until 2.2 meters tall, but the adjustments don't stop there. The lamp head can rotate 240 degrees and can pivot up to 200 degrees, so you can control exactly where the light is facing. The tripod legs and battery compartment at the bottom gives this device a low center of gravity, which means it is sturdy when you're setting it up. And speaking of batteries, this is compatible with all Dewalt 18V XR and FlexVolt batteries, and with this you're looking at around 5 hours of runtime on the highest setting if you're using a 9 amp FlexVolt battery. And of course it is built for use on site, so like Dewalt say, it is guaranteed tough. In fact, this is IP55 water and dust resistant. It is easy to pack away too, folding down to just 1 meter long, and has a trusty carry handle on the side. So if you're looking for a handy and reliable sight light, then look no further than the DCL079 18V LED tripod from Dewalt. It's available now at ics.co.uk.